Hey everybody, it's the Technical Wizard here, and today I have a very exciting video for y'all. We're gonna be picking up a lot of Macs. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull around to the building and we'll get to it. All right guys, got my Jeep. Let's see what we got. So we currently have two Apple Macintosh color displays, an Apple Monitor 3, a CD drive of some sort. It is Apple. A Macintosh IISi, a Macintosh IIvX, an iMac G4, and an iMac G5. Got all of these for a whale of a deal. So let's go ahead and drive home and we'll see if they work. Alright guys, so as of right now, this is the lot of Macs that you saw in the earlier in the video, as well as a couple more pieces over here that I've already set up. I actually sold a couple of them already, the Apple III monitor and the two iMacs that were there. I sold them to a close friend of mine, Ruben from Luxury Car Report. Anyway, first up what we're going to be testing out is this Macintosh IISi. No idea if it works. The only thing I've tried so far is the color display. Well, this one. I hooked it up to my Performa 6116 CD, and it works. So now we're going to see if this Macintosh will do anything. So, 3, 2, 1. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. You can hear a fan. Heard a hard drive trying to spin up, but doesn't look like it's doing anything. Okay, take 2. Oh, well, try to do something. Is it gonna turn on? Okay, I don't think that hard drive's spinning up. Well, let's open it up. Alright guys, so I went ahead and opened up the IISi. Beefy graphics card. Just pulled that out. No clock battery. I'd actually pulled that out at Ruben's house. Got a lot of RAM. This here says ROM sim. And it is empty, so I don't guess this computer is going to boot. So I guess on to the next one. Alright guys, so I have the next computer hooked up that we're going to test, but there's two things on this one I doubt it's going to work. First off, there was this note on it, and when I took the cover off at Ruben's house, the battery kind of exploded, so high chance it's not going to power up. And before we power it on, I want to mention this little sticker on the back. Property of Apple Computer Inc. Expensed Equipment. If any of y'all can tell me what that means, I would appreciate it. Okay, let's try it. Monitor on. And let's try the computer. Oh Lord. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. But there's a lot of horizontal lines. Got a green light. Yeah, it's not gonna do anything. Floppy drive on top. It's got that stupid caddy CD drive. I don't know, but I'll pull the cover off of it real quick. Show y'all guys what's going on. All right, case is off. We got a 80 megabyte hard drive, floppy drive, CD-ROM drive right there. It's got that stupid caddy thing though. Here's our issue. You can see that the battery kind of leaked acid onto the board, onto the traces, as well as the capacitors. They've kind of went Really hate that though, because it had that property of Apple sticker on it. Who knows, could be prototype software, but yeah, I mean, not much to say. I'll hook that other monitor up here in a second, see if we can test it. So instead of hooking up the monitor to the Performa, I went ahead and dug out the Power Macintosh 7200. Haven't seen this machine in a while actually. But anyways, let's go ahead and power up the monitor. Got a green light, that's a good sign. And let's power up the computer. Got a bong. Eek, that hard drive doesn't sound that good. It's stuck, of course. And we have a picture. Wow. It's kind of hard to tell from the flickering. Hard drive's kind of stuck. Turn the brightness down a little bit. Contrast, no. Yeah, that looks way better. Yeah, try restarting it. Spin down all the way. Oh, monitor came on right away, didn't it? That hard drive doesn't sound healthy. It almost went for a second. This might take a minute. Okay, everyone. I finally got the hard drive to actually initialize so we could start up into OS 8.6, and this monitor has a beautiful picture. It's not kind of washed out like that other one was, but this has a bright and crisp picture. You can turn the brightness up more, but it kind of look wonky on the sides. But as you can see here, of the little Mitsubishi wallpaper I've had on here for years. Yeah, we're using the 7200 with this. But overall, y'all, that haul was really just for these two monitors. And I would say I've pretty much got my money's worth. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. If y'all want more like it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. This is the Technical Wizard, signing off.